Hey guys, my name is Abhishek and welcome to my channel ILBM Maths. Today in this video, we are going to start with exercise 5.2 of arithmetic progressions, class 10th in CRT. In the last video, we had learned the basic concepts and solved some examples with respect to this exercise. Okay, so now we'll start the exercise questions, starting with question number 1. So it says, fill in the blanks the following table given that A be the first term, D be the common difference, AN is the nth term. So if you remember, we had learned the formula, AN formula, which was A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of an AP. This is the formula we had learned. Now based on this formula, we are going to solve these questions. So the table is given here. So there is a combination of A value, D value, N value and AN values are given in the question. So if you see the first part, A value is given as 7, D value is given as 3, N value as 8 and you're supposed to find AN value. So I'll write down the first part. A value is given as 7, D as 3, N value as 8 and they're asking AN, the nth term. So AN, we know the formula. AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. So in this formula, we know A value, N value and D value. So we know all the three values. So N is what? 8. So A8 is A plus n minus 1. So n minus 1 means 8 minus 1, which is 7, into the common difference value, which is 3. So if you simplify 7 into 3, 21 plus 7 gives you 28. So 8th term is 28. Next is the second question. What are the values given here? A is minus 18. D value is not given. N value is given here as 10. And AN value is given as 0. AN is given as 0. AN and N value is given as 10. So basically what is given is A10 is given as 0. Okay. So they're asking find the value of D in the question. Alright, so this is what is given in the question. So A10 is given as 0, the 10th term is given as 0. So A10, we know the formula, A plus n minus 1 into D is given as 0. So in this formula, we know A value and we know N value and we can simplify this equation to get the D value. So A is minus 18 plus n minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9d is equal to 0. This minus 18 goes to the other side. So 9d is plus 18. So d is 18 by 9, which gives you 2. So the common difference value is 2. So the third question, they're asking A value. Common difference value is given as minus 3. N value is 18. And AN, the nth term, is given as minus 5. So again, we use the same formula. AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 5. So in this formula, A values are known, N value is known, D value is known. So we can just substitute this formula and simplify. So A plus n minus 1. So n is 18. 18 minus 1 gives you 17 into D. And D is minus 3. It's negative, so I should put a bracket. Is equals to minus 5. So A is, this is minus 5. 17 into minus 3 gives you minus 51. So plus minus becomes overall, this is minus 51. Minus 51 goes to the other side, becomes plus 51. So we have minus 5 plus 51. And 51 plus 51 minus 5 gives you 46. So A is 46. The fourth part. In the fourth part, A value is given as minus 18.9. Common difference value is given as 2.5. They're asking N. So N is question mark. And AN is given as 3.6. AN is given as 3.6. So here, again, AN is 3.6. We use the AN nth term formula, which is A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 3.6. I substitute AN as A plus n minus 1 into D is given as 3.6. Now here I know A value, I know D value. N value can be found out if we simplify. So I'll just substitute the values. Minus 18.9 plus n is unknown, so n minus 1 remains the same. D is 2.5 into 2.5 is equals to 3.6. Now this is minus 18.9. When it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 18.9. So n minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to, it's not a, we don't have to multiply 2.5 with n minus 1. We'll keep it as it is for the time being. 3.6 will become plus 18.9. So 18, 3, 21 will become 22.5 once we add. So n minus 1 value will become 22.5 divided by 2.5. So after the decimal, both are having single digits, so I can just cancel the decimal. Now 25 and 225, 25 into 1, 25 into 9 is 225. So n minus 1 is 9. So n value becomes 10. So this is your answer. That is what the question is asking. Question, fifth part. A value is given as 3.5. Fifth part, A value is 3.5. Common difference value is given as 0. N value is 105. And they are asking AN. AN. In other words, n value is given as 105, so in other words, they are asking a 105 value. Okay, n value is already given in the question, so they are asking a 105. So a 105, we use the formula, an formula, nth term of an AP is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. So a 105 is equals to a plus, so a is given, plus n minus 1. N is 105. So 105 minus 1 is 104 into the common difference value, which is 0. Common difference is 0. So this multiplication of 0 into 104 will give you 0, and you're just left with 3.5. So your 105th term in this question, or what are they asking, is 3.5.